Hi guys, it's Patty from Patty's Crafty Spot, and I'm here to share with you a paper haul that I got from Country Craft Creations, and I did a little shopping. Bella Blvd came out with a whole line called Let's Scrapbook, so of course I had to get it because why not, you know, because it's just so cool. And so let's go ahead and take a peek. And my invoice. So I think I got everything that was offered on the website except for one item, and that one got refunded because either they sold out or they may not have gotten it. I'm not really sure. I did kind of look around and I couldn't find the item that got canceled, so I feel like it may have been an issue with supply. But anyway, let's go ahead and take a peek at what I got. So this is a cute little puffy sticker. You can kind of see the dimension of it. And it's a little flag. It says, I love to scrap. Super cute. It's got some buttons with some enamel on them. And they're puffed up. And then I got another one. This is a little tool set with a little tape dispenser. And you can see the dimension on that one. The colors on this are absolutely phenomenal. I love how bright and happy and cheery these colors look. This one here. Fun little embellishments with cameras and stuff. Probably should have been cell phones because I don't know how many people actually take photos with a camera anymore these days. But super cute. And then these are little epoxy stickers, so these definitely have some dimension to them. You can kind of see the little scissors, cameras, tape runners. Super cute. And let's move over here. So this is some ephemera, and these are all words, and there's a lot in here. So I'll just hold it up instead of taking them all out, because if I take these out, it's probably going to take me an hour to pick them up. Yeah, there's 88 pieces in here, so this one would take a long time to pick back up. But you can see a lot of this stuff when you do scrapbooking and stuff, you can see retreat, which is nice. If you go on a retreat, you could make your own scrapbook just to photograph, document all the fun that you have at them. I know Country Craft Creations retreats are so much fun, whether you're doing a virtual one or you're doing an in-person one. They are, oh my God, I can't even tell you how much fun those are. They literally say bring an empty suitcase, and they are not kidding, because the amount of stuff that you come back with is crazy. And this is ephemera icons. So you can see on the back here all the little fun things. Super cute. All the stuff you would normally find in a scrap room, your desk, stuff like that. Typewriters. I don't do typewriters. I also don't do sewing machines. I have actually broke 3 sewing machines trying to sew on paper, and I just can't for the life of me, so I just gave up. So cute. And then there is a whole section of chipboard pieces, and I'll have to hold that so close. You can see that one. But these are nice thick chipboard pieces. I think they're stickers. I feel like they're stickers. Let's see. Yep, they're sticky. Like that, so. I haven't decided what I'm going to do with this yet, whether I'm going to make a scrapbook for it, like make a whole pattern one and do up to share or not. We'll see. I'm still recovering from my foot surgery, and I'm able to get into my craft room about 2 full hours every other day. I can't do 2 hours every day, but I am happy when I can get in here. So we'll see. And then these are it's just a collection kit. I want to say probably solids or something, but let's take a peek at those. Let me move this, and we'll walk you through these ones. I have not opened these yet, so I just saw it all came available on the website, and I had to go ahead and buy it all. So And these, I'm going to assume it's kind of like all people's favorites for doing scrapbooking and stuff like that, the ones that are most used. That's the same. So 2 of each sheet. So that one's pretty. It's kind of ombre. That's nice. And the little hearts. I feel like these patterns here are kind of like the staples of scrapbooking. It's kind of what people have a tendency to go ahead and use, whether it's scrapbooking or even card making. A lot of these look like backgrounds that you would find on a lot of cards. Okay. Okay. This one's pretty. That one. And the collection pack. Alright, so first let's take a peek at the stickers, which are super cute. You can see all those there. And hopefully the camera is picking up how colorful these are, because they're very colorful. So. All the tools, so the back side. How fun are those? And I'm sure you guys can look at the pictures that are on these and stuff and be like, I have that, I have that. And then these ones, the polka dots and the dots. Oops. My computer's like, nope, we don't like that. And then I love scrapbooking. It's kind of perfect that this came out now because March is National Craft Month. So it's kind of like a perfect month to release this in. This one here. It's kind of funny. I just got done making, I'm working on projects from Country Craft Creations virtual online 10-year birthday anniversary. And this right here kind of reminds me of those right there. I just made that for it. And a whole sheet of scissors. And the back side, oh, I think this is just like that solid one almost, right? No, a little different, but it's got the dots. Super cute. And a whole sheet of cameras. This would be cute. If you had a belly band, you could just kind of go down and make a belly band with the cameras. And the back side of that one. And this one here. That would be fun, making some cute corner pockets and stuff. Even something that folds out kind of thing. Those ones. And even though that's front and back, these two really work nice together, I think. And scrapbooking's cheaper than therapy. Happy scrapping. Just glue it down. Super cute. See that one. Yeah, I didn't turn my phone off. Here's this one. Oh, the computer does not like something on here. One of them. And then you got some cut apart strips, so you can cut these strips out and stuff. These ink ones here too. You could almost, if you wanted to, use the strip and then cut out from the second one and pop dot them up on top. That would be super cute for doing something with those ones. And then cut apart cards. I pack light. No crafter has ever said I pack light, that's for sure. Super cute. Alrighty, so I hope you enjoyed this little shopping haul. I will leave you links down below to Country Craft Creations where you can pick this stuff up. I probably wouldn't wait too long because I feel like the stuff is probably going to sell out pretty fast, considering if you are a scrapbooker, you're probably going to want this stuff. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little video haul. Give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button. And until next time, guys, happy crafting. Bye.